Is your Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni stuck in a death spiral? If your expensive robot is spinning in circles and refusing to clean, you aren't losing your mind. Your robot is. This infinite spin glitch is a common headache for many Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni owners. While it might look like a software bug, the culprit is usually a hardware failure. Specifically, it's almost always caused by a faulty side wheel module. When one wheel stops getting power or loses its internal sensor, the other wheel keeps pushing, sending your vacuum into a never-ending spiral of despair. If you ignore this, you're looking at more than just dusty floors. A faulty wheel puts massive strain on the remaining motor and can lead to total navigation failure. But don't worry. At RoboCare, we've seen and fixed this exact issue hundreds of times. To ensure a perfect fix, we don't just guess which part is broken. We use specialized diagnostic software to pinpoint exactly which side wheel has failed. Once identified, we perform a precision teardown to replace the faulty wheel module with a genuine parts. This doesn't just stop the spinning, it restores your robot's original navigation logic and prevents further strain on the motherboard. Now, let's get to the results. Look at that. With a fresh, genuine wheel assembly, this Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni is back to its precision navigation. No more circles, just flawless cleaning and perfect maps. It's like it just came out of the box. Don't let your vacuum spin out of control. Let RoboCare fix it right. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.